So the bow shuriken versus screwdriver stick rate into the lower target. This is the second video. The previous video that was 80%, but I started with these and these were like 40% or really bad. I'm going to start with these. See if the percentage increases or changes. Oh, lucky. Well, it's still in, but the second that was really questionable. So at best 80%, but I would rather go with the 60% because the previous one was just holding on and hanging in. Same distance, about 3 meters. Again, 80% on the bow shuriken and at best 60% with the screwdriver. So kind of proving my point that for me it's easier to throw spikes than screwdrivers, especially on a lower target. Thanks for watching.